Bluey ran across the yard. She was chasing something glowing. Could it be magic hiding in the grass? Bingo shouted, "Wait for me!" Her little legs tried to keep up. The light flickered brighter. Bluey's heart raced with excitement. Dad stepped outside, curious. "What are you two chasing?" Mom peeked out the window, smiling softly. Could the family discover something amazing? The glowing ball floated higher. Bluey gasped with wonder. Bingo squealed, "It's alive!" Bluey jumped, reaching for it. Could she catch the shining mystery? The ball darted toward the trees. Leaves shimmered as it passed. Bluey charged forward bravely. Bingo stumbled but followed. Could this be an enchanted adventure? They entered the woods together. The glow painted the path gold. Birds scattered above. The sisters whispered with awe. Could magic truly exist here? Suddenly, the ball stopped spinning. It hovered in the air. Bluey and Bingo froze silently. Their eyes widened. What would happen next? The ball cracked open slowly. A tiny creature emerged, glowing bright. It fluttered with sparkling wings. Bingo gasped, "It's a fairy!" Bluey shouted, "Incredible!" The fairy spoke gently, "Thank you for finding me. I was lost in the storm." Bluey tilted her head curiously. A fairy lost in their world. Dad and Mom arrived behind them. They stared in disbelief. Could this really be true? The fairy smiled warmly. She granted a wish to Bluey. Bluey closed her eyes tightly. She wished for happiness to fill everyone's heart. The fairy sparkled brighter. The glow spread around the family. Could wishes really come true? The woods glowed beautifully. Bingo laughed with joy. Dad hugged Mom in relief. Bluey wagged her tail proudly. She had chosen kindness. The fairy whispered, "Goodbye, sweet friends." She floated into the sky. Bluey and Bingo waved with wonder, their hearts full of magic. And you? Yes, you. If you felt the magic with Bluey, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.